Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: large number of dancers take part at Shat Sukman Sem organized by Meghalaya Senkhasi. Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme of Phase 3 disrupt from completion. Due to rise in positive COVID-19 cases in the state, strike called off by the Khasi Jaintia Deficit Teachers Association. And now the news in detail. Large number of young men and women decked in traditional attire danced the beating of the drums and the melodious tune of the windpipe musical instrument Katangmuri at the Shat Sukman Sem, organized by the socio-cultural organization Meghalaya Senkhasi at Mauro in Shillong. The dance is also an occasion to thank God the Almighty for all the blessings that He has showered on the community with good health and general prosperity during the last 1 year. Prayers are also offered to God Almighty to bless the members of the community as they begin the sowing seasons with the advent of spring. The dance also reflects the preservation of the rich cultural heritage by the Hnyotap community. Assistant Secretary of Senkhasi Senkme, Sundrop Langkarshieng, said, the dance reflects the Hnyotap ethos and philosophy, including preservation of culture.
Before we start sowing for this new year also, we give thanks to the Creator so that as He has blessed us last year, so He will continue to give us bountiful harvest and bless us this year also. Yeah, the importance of that, as I've already mentioned, it is a Thanksgiving festival in which we give thanks to the Creator as He has protected us for the last year, and He will continue to protect us and shower a bountiful harvest and good prospect in every spheres of life. Yes, the dance, it reflects the social aspect because it respects, through this dance you can easily make out the position in which the male occupies in the Khasi social fabric and the position in which the female occupies in the social fabric. And especially through the costumes in which they wear, it really reflects what a Khasi position, what a Khasi male position is and what a Khasi female position is. Perform rites and rituals. Before the rites and rituals, especially for the biggest dance, that is the Shat Sukman Sem waiting, is performed not only at the event date, that is 10, 11, 12, but the prayers and rituals were performed even right from the day in which we take out these drums to sound to the people that the Shat Sukman Sem has started. So right from that time we started doing rituals to the Creator till the day in which the Shat Sukman Sem is ended.
Chief Advisor of Meghalaya Kabaddi Association, Rocky Heck, said that Kabaddi have taken a new shape not only at amateur level but at professional level. While inaugurating the program, he said that youngsters can take up Kabaddi as a career and earn their livelihood through the sport. Nantu Das mentioned that the Kabaddi was also in the All India University Games and anyone who gets the chance to play at the All India University Games, the certificate for such participation will pave the way to apply for any job under sports quota. Moreover, it will help the student to get admission in higher studies under sports quota. President of Meghalaya Kabaddi Association AMKA Samran Singh Sem expressed his happiness that those newly aspirants and those Kabaddi players of the state who have taken part in NCC cadets games in central schools can have a better platform to show their skills, talents and strength in this own Indian native games. Joint Secretary AMKA Lorenzo P. Wardry hopes that soon a state Kabaddi team after this month, long coaching under BSF coach Ram Kumar, can take part in different level of national championships.
Kabaddi Ram Kumar has given a free coaching camp for all the aspirants and those who have already played Kabaddi, especially from NCC and JNV school. And it is our dear request also to the parents of here in Shillong and in Meghalaya as a whole. If they can send a sub-junior player, it is free registration for them and they have to come down to Polo around 4 p.m. so that they can register their players and it is free of cost. And you know, Kabaddi is a native game of India. It is part of the known to be a contact sports. So Northeast have a national talents as quoted everywhere to have a national talents in martial arts. So Kabaddi is a contact sport and martial arts is a contact sport. We hope that with this national talents in contact sports, Meghalaya will come up one day in Kabaddi. See, the benefits of this game is that it is played at many levels. One at the school level, they call it School Games Federation of India, where children from school can take part in this game in the national level in the country. Then we have All India University level games, where they can take part in different zone of India. After that, after they qualify, they can go to the national All India University Games. The benefit of this All India University Game is that their certificate of participation, it really counts for them to apply for any job on the sports quota. And moreover, the other benefit is that whenever you want to apply for the admission in higher studies, be it a university level or graduate levels, it is always counted that 10% mark is added to the aggregate marks of the percentage they have obtained, and they can get smooth admission in on the sports quota. And then at the national level now, we have games, at the Pro Kabaddi also as well, which has become a part of the career of the Kabaddi player if they continue to be good and get a chance to play in I-League of Pro Kabaddi.
Today, the 6th of April 2021, a meeting was called by Renikton Lyngdoh Tongkhar, Minister in charge of PHE Department, to resolve the issues faced by the concerned to complete the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme of Phase 3. Speaking to the media, it was informed that the Dorbar under Mauplang's aimship are against the PHE Department's working procedures, which, according to the agreement, the department is supposed to employ few local residents of Mauplang village in the implementation of scheme, but this did not happen so far. Therefore, this implementation of the scheme was not allowed to proceed further.
Division has attended the meeting. We call purposely to solve the issues and problem that Hima Mauplang has expressed in the process of the execution of work to complete the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. As you all know that the department and the government as a whole, we are very serious to complete this Phase 3. And today we've called this meeting to solve one of the issues that the Hima Mauplang has not allowed the department to execute with the work, the construction of Stage 3 pumping station. The construction of Stage 2 pumping station, by alleging that the department has not responded to the agreement that is there with Mauplang, with Hima Mauplang, with regards to the appointment of the staff in the department. So we had long meeting, 2 hours meeting with them. And from the department, we had expressed to them that we are very keen, very serious. And all these years, the department has responded to the agreement, and they have given appointment to many people of Mauplang itself. But about the regularization, yes, those staff joined prior to 1997, it has been regularized. But after that, of course, they work on contractual basis. So it has not been regularized. So that's the concern from the Mauplang, that they wanted that those people should be regularized.
In the last few weeks, teachers under the banner, the Khasi Jantia Deficit Teachers Association, come out to the street to place their demands in front of the state government. The association did not get any response from the government. Today, decided to call off the strike in view of the rising positive COVID-19 cases in the state.
Second phase. Ray hadu mentaro ni pat terikam but ngala ong ru ya ki para nong hikai ba ya kanika second phase means sa implement ladang ila so don kam but means sa ipo ri kinong hikai jungi ap pusa punta bangin terikam itu naklam ong ha din ap sa puntangin terikam ya second phase agitation the yamenta kerpa biang ki para nong hikai ki bidan association ban smubhaban sumpu ya ka situation ka balong menta kanika cases ka nang spike shibun ha state giwi states la nang he shu ti kum kinong hikai gi belong responsible gim kwa ban add extra burden gim kwa ban add ka jing jar ka kham bun ya pat ba gi kena school dak pengiya chakmat ki agitation ya menta mde mi ongin e no shwa ki don giwi ki lat ni agitate menta ni dang ye pun create city ban ni pa prime minister nang tang bin create city ban pa ki human rights national level ban ka state level ban bin tip ye ki jing jar ki jungi the kini other means of agitation. It need not be disruptible agitation, along peaceful agitation. And we will see and play by ear lanu on khat chief minister yangi ngidang ya yap hi kata ban ngidang ya government hi bon khat.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.